Hi, my name is Jim, and for many years I suffered from what we call post-traumatic stress disorder, and how it manifested itself was primarily through verbal abuse, emotional abuse that I suffered as a young child and a young adolescent teenager into my adulthood by my mother. And it was primarily mostly words that were very criticizing and minimizing and demeaning. And I felt like it had taken away my innocence and my ability to be able to, function in a healthy manner. I always felt like I had this weight hanging off of my back. I felt, in terms of me describing it, it would be like I was limping through life. And it really impacted my relationships with women, and I work as a registered nurse, and how I actually associate with females on an individual basis, a personal basis, and a work relationship basis. So it was quite. I use the word paralyzing. So in essence, I had one session of rapid resolution therapy, and what it did for me was it untangled this web inside of me that felt like it was constricting me, that any time I had interacted with a female of any type of power or a look or a word, I felt like I was completely paralyzed. I knew that it produced the same response over and over and over again. But through rapid resolution therapy, I now feel like it has liberated me from this. I basically don't feel that like I'm limping through life, or I have that weight hanging off my back. And since I've had just one session with rapid resolution therapy, I have had many interactions with females, and I have interacted with females in some instances which would have produced the same response from me, and the response just isn't there. I'm more able, I feel more clear-headed, I feel less anxious, and I feel quite liberated with regards to be able to interact, with any female in any situation.